everyone, welcome back to my vlogs. So I just took a shower and I shaved after so long, and when I say shaved, I actually mean like proper scrub करके shave करना है. I shaved even here. Past 6 months से बस यहाँ shave कर लेती थी जल्दी, but I shaved my finger hair as well. सबके होता है यार. I also get hair here. So yeah, anyways, अभी I just have to do my skincare, sit down to script the video, and also आज काफ़ी काम होना है घर में. So I thought vlog कर लेते हैं सब कुछ. And it's the second day of my period, so la 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 la. अभी I'm gonna do my skincare यहीं बैठ के. I washed my face. So the thing is, in the morning I have stopped using face washes, and I actually feel that is working well for my skin. Like, of course, I get zits and all. That's because my diet is not clean, and the hormonal zits that I get during my periods वगैरह. But बाकी I like how it feels overall. Actually, आज मेरा mirror भी आ जाना है, so life would be better उसके बाद. I have placed an order for a lot of furniture, but कुछ आ नहीं रहा है. ये आ गया because Amazon. बाकी सब तो बहुत time लेगा. Also, I was thinking maybe we should do a 24 hours in my balcony challenge, because this balcony is actually quite spacious. So I can manage, but... So the only thing that's stopping me from doing that challenge is अभी बहुत मच्छर होने वाले हैं. Like, I can manage the food, everything else, but the मच्छर will kill me. But then बाद में यहाँ बहुत ठंड भी हो जाएगी. तब तो मैं और नहीं कर पाऊँगी. So I'm like sort of confused कि क्या करूँ. Don't judge, but let me show you how, like, अभी क्या condition है स्टूडियो की. La 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 la. अभी 2-3 फर्नीचर्स और आने हैं, एंड आई हैव टू कवर अप ऑल द वॉल्स विद डेकोर पीसेस. ये चीज़ ना टेम्प्रेरी है. द स्टोरेज पीस दैट आई ऑर्डर टू कीप ऑल माई मेकअप एंड ज्वेलरी विल टेक अनदर 15 days. सो आई फाइनली डिसाइड कि मैंने सॉर्ट करूँगी, बट कल मैं मार्केट चली गई. बट आज आई हैव टू गेट ऑल ऑफ दिस सॉर्टेड.
ऊपर की स्पेस कैसे रखेंगे?
वही मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. तुम ही लगा दो सब कुछ. चलो. So actually I'm getting my mirror made today. For some reasons वो ready ही नहीं हो पा रहा था, तो आज they will call me again to check the measurements and everything. And अभी किचन में काम हो रहा है. They have gone out for lunch and we can't cook anything here, so we are ordering food from outside. I finally have a mirror. Wait. बहुत बड़ा है ये, but it's nice. 3 घंटे हो चुके हैं, and this is the only progress that we've made today. मुझे लग रहा है ये 2-4 दिन और चलेगा, and I'm not sure मैं बाकी वीडियोस कैसे शूट करूँ. Oh my God, I've had such a tiring day, and I just washed my face, and I feel आज के दिन के बाद I need to pamper myself and pamper my skin a little bit. So I'm going to be using one of my current favorites, which is this Acne Warrior face pack from Super Smelly. They sent me this last month and I have been loving using it. Now this is made from a lot of naturally derived products. Like there's neem extract and tea tree oil, which reduces your acne. There's also aloe vera to soothe and cure acne. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. This actually works in fighting against the skin damage that is done by the acne, also the pigmentation. And if you have oily skin, this also has multani mitti and bentonite clay to, absorb the excess oil. And I'm gonna use it to deep cleanse my skin because I know I need it. Now, Super Smelly contains no toxins, no parabens or any other artificial colors or fragrances. It's certified made safe, 100% toxin-free and vegan by Safe Cosmetics Australia. It's carefully formulated and dermatologically tested for the safety, but it's cruelty-free as well, never been tested on poor and helpless animals and never will be. You can use my coupon Ishita25 for 25% off on their site, and yeah. You just have to apply a layer of this mask all over your face with your brush or fingers. Keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes and just wash it off. So by the time this dries, I'm gonna reply to some mails. just washed my face after applying the mask and I feel so fresh. And as you can see, my skin feels really clean as well. I like the fact that it doesn't irritate my skin at all. कुछ mask होते हैं which can irritate your skin, but this doesn't do it. It's very gentle, but at the same time, it deep cleanses your skin and also tightens the pores. So yeah, really like it. Now I'm gonna crush. Bye. Good morning, guys. मैंने ये विंडो के पास कर दिया so that I get this sunlight. Anyways, आज का दिन is weird because I have to edit videos and I have to go to shop. मेरे DSLR का charger isn't working, so I have to go and buy another one today itself. तो इसलिए हम 10 बजे उठे हैं. We have to leave by 11 somehow, and I also have to shop for my birthday outfit. We'll see about it, but yeah. Found it! Yay! बर्थडे ड्रेस मिले ना मिले, I'm so happy ये मिल गया यार. So we just came back home. I look like a mess, I know. My eyes look so tired, but ठीक है. I have to change, but घर आते ही इतना messy हो रखा है घर, like there is no space for anything right now. But we're happy कि 3 दिन बाद ही सही at least cabinets लग रहे हैं, like ऊपर वाले cabinets लग रहे हैं, so I'm happy. Hopefully मेरे birthday तक ये हो जाएगा, so we'll have a place to cook and everything. I expected कि मेरी ये shopping trip 3 बजे तक होगी, but 4 बज चुके हैं. I think 4:30 बज चुके हैं, तो I have to get back to work. मैं अपनी शॉपिंग थोड़ी देर बाद दिखाऊंगी एंड आई टेल यू कि मैंने क्या खरीदा एंड व्हाट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस लाइक एंड या ओके बाय. 2 घंटे हो चुके हैं मुझे इस रूम में बंद हुए. मम्मा भी घर चली गई हैं. एक्चुअली वो गई हैं कुछ खाना लाने बिकॉज यहाँ किचन बंद है और मैं इंडक्शन पे कुछ नहीं बनाना चाहती. हम 2 दिन से इंडक्शन पे खाना खा रहे हैं बाय द वे. आई शो यू घर का हाल क्या है. इट्स ऑल डस्ट. So finally, after 4-5 hours of being stuck in this room, I'm going out. So we are going out to see our bed. हमने वो भी custom made बनवाया था and it took around 3 weeks. Bed बन चुका है, so we are just going to check that out, and we also have to figure out the mattress and curtains. And this is my OOTD. The sweatshirt is from Max. Men's section. It says just lazy. ये बैग मैंने कल ही लिया है. वाओ, मेरी रिंग निकली. ये रिंग भी कल ही ली थी. एंड द डेनिम्स आर रियली ओल्ड. दीज आर फ्रॉम Forever 21. एंड या अब चलते हैं. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड बाहर जाने के लिए. मैं पक गई थी घर पे बैठे बैठे. मेरे बाल अभी इतने कर्ली हो रहे हैं और जब शूट करने होते हैं तब इतने प्यारे कर्ल्स कभी नहीं होंगे. मम्मी, मेरा कर्लर और स्ट्रेटनर कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. पता नहीं वो कौन से घर में है.
आउच. नहीं बच.
ये इतना ऊंचा होना.
अभी इस पे लाइक आके
अभी चीयर्स आशा.
तो खाते हैं तो पहले अंदर ही खाने की.
So this was the progress जो आज हुई है. टेढ़ा है ना. Hi, so we came back to our house and now we are on the mission cleaning. तो मैंने अपना नाइट सूट पहन लिया है. ये यहाँ झाड़ू लेके बैठा है. And we are going to clean the house. आई थिंक मैंने मेंशन किया था कि आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड दिस और मुझे वो कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था और वो पूरे टाइम मेरे ड्रेसर के ऊपर था. 12:30 बज रहे हैं बट आई डिड इट. Somehow everything is organized in a very bad way, but at least I know कि कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ पड़ी है. So it's cool. Now I am dead. I want to take a bath and just sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. 2 days to my birthday and we've made some progress. Like मोटा मोटा काम हो चुका है. The only big thing that's left जिससे बहुत धूल हो सकती है which is chimney. चलो कुछ तो अच्छा हो रहा है. किचन ना से ही बेड आ रहा है.
ये सही होता है कि ये सही होता है?
हाँ थोड़ा फर्म है नॉर्मल से.
So I don't know the audible cooking, but we have cooked the mattress and the pillows. Yay! So it's 2nd of November. I had to shoot 3 videos. I woke up at 9, shot for 2 hours straight, only to realize कि मेरा mic नहीं चल रहा. And now I have no hopes to work today. 2 दिन मुझे छुट्टी लेनी थी. I don't know मैं क्या करूँ. I want to work and shoot, but मेरा mic ही नहीं चल रहा. How will I make this happen? I'm so frustrated right now. But घर पे काम भी होना है. Plus I have to clean everything as well. I don't know. मैं चाहती हूँ किस तरह मेरी बर्थडे वाली वीडियो रेडी हो जाए ताकि I can have one upload on my birthday. This is how I look right now. But hopefully आज के बाद घर साफ होगा and कल मेरी पार्टी हो जाएगी and I'll have a good time shooting here. My birthday present. आज का दिन was so disastrous. I couldn't shoot since morning. रात में 8 बजे I started shooting. It's almost 11 and I think I'm almost done. I am so happy to have pulled this off. मुझे edit करना है भी तो I'm just gonna quickly get done with the shoot and start editing. Also happy birthday to me. I honestly can't believe I have shot one video and edited it and it's like a 22-minute long video and I did it all in like 9 hours या फिर उससे भी कम. मैंने उसमें 2 घंटे सोया भी था. I'm clearly a workaholic और I have no work-life balance. Hi everyone, so I just realized इस vlog का कोई end नहीं है because I literally did not pick my phone the entire day on my birthday. Like we had some friends over, I tried to find pictures and videos जितना भी दिखा पाऊँ but I think I was enjoying in the moment. या फिर I feel मैंने lockdown में इतना shoot कर रखा है कि for a change on my birthday, I just didn't feel like being on camera or even recording anything. I hardly posted any stories or anything, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun. Literally मैंने अपनी वो video, birthday वाली video, I was really drunk and मैंने फिर भी वो upload करी है with captions and everything. So I thought इस vlog के end में I'll just quickly show you some of the new things that I got. So if you haven't seen my Nykaa haul, उसमें जो मैंने top पहना था, that is the only top that I got from Forever 21. It's this white mesh top with, you know, daisies all over it. It was for 1500 rupees. Okay, मैंने tag हटा दिया of course, but yeah, 1500 rupees. It's a very cute top. मेरा plan था कि अगर कुछ भी और अच्छा नहीं मिलता है तो at least I can wear this white top and some blue denims and just be comfortable. Forever 21 से एक और मैंने बहुत important चीज़ ली, which is currently my obsession, which are these fuzzy slippers. Actually वहाँ पे बहुत options थे. मुझे पता नहीं था ये discount पे. I just bought them because बाकी सारे ना वो literally elf shoes and Christmas theme थे. These were the only normal ones and ये काफी गंदे हो गए. I have to wash them. So I got them for around 500 rupees. उसके बाद Forever 21 में मुझे कुछ खास मिला नहीं. उस पूरे मॉल में गंज में कुछ भी नहीं मिला. तो we went to Wave and वहाँ I went to West Side and I bought this set of like clips जो मैं हर दिन यूज करती हूँ आजकल for 100 rupees. I also got a set of rings जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रही. I think I've lost them as well. My brother got this sweatshirt from West Side. It's a very beautiful mustard yellow sweatshirt. मैं दिखा रही हूँ because obviously I'm gonna wear it. It was for 1,000 rupees again. Tag me hoga. But the best thing that I got from Westside is this beautiful bag. Look at it. I mean, its texture. Like the minute I saw it, I was like, "ये तो मैं ले रही हूँ. I don't care which birthday dress मिले ना मिले. I'm gonna use this handbag a lot." I remember a year back, I never used to like these. You know, what do you call them? These retro style bags, like short handbags. I just thought it's not my vibe, but I freaking love it. And this was just 999 rupees, guys. So if you have a Westside near your house, या फिर online check कर लेना, please buy this. It's amazing. It's quite spacious as well. I get a lot of comments about this pendant. So this is from H&M. I'm gonna link this pendant below. The last thing that I got for my birthday was a pair of Combat boots. And they are so damn cool. काफी भारी भी है. Since it's winters, मेरी बैंड बज रही है. So I thought boots ले लेते हैं. But the thing is, ये थोड़ा एक size छोटा हो गया है. तो मैंने exchange के लिए कर दिया. इसलिए I'm not wearing them as of now. Hopefully size up करने के बाद they look good on me. पता नहीं Myntra exchange करने में इतना time क्यों लग रहा है. But yeah, and the last thing that I got is this. इस पर tag भी लगा हुआ है. I should probably start using this and I can't hear a lot of things. बाकी मैंने कुछ special birthday present लिया नहीं है because literally this studio is my birthday present. Like literally today we got a new furniture delivered. I was waiting for this one for like 2 weeks and वो आ गया है. Maybe I'll show this in the next vlog. But yeah, so that is all for this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're watching my face for the very first time. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Also बताना ये birthday series कैसे लगी है. Okay, bye.